It's your boy Mel, back from Florida. Co-op Kennel Baby. We're on Skipper B. Came back with new energy. Sit, boy! Sit! Teach these dudes the ropes. You see how she is. She knows the deal. But this guy right here, hey! Sit! Teaching these guys to sit before they take off. That boy is fastly approaching 60 pounds. Trying to get him, hey, sit! Trying to get him to 60 pounds before the end of the week. Sit! Hey! You see, he's a puppy. He gonna want to do what he want to do. So we'll let the lesson in. They know what they. Sometimes you know you need to be hard on them because they know what you want. But sometimes they just can't control it. So they puppies. So, but as you can see, she's not distracted. Free. We got a long ways to go. But we're gonna get there. They looking for guidance. I fed this boy some chicken last night. Fried chicken. So he's probably eager to let it go. Big boy. For his age, I mean, 5 months, just about 60 pounds. You know, we're a couple of pounds off. And it might seem like, well, why are you trying to rush the weight? And why are you trying to put weight on him? You know, it's not that I'm rushing it or trying to push it. You just gotta know that in the XXL bully game or XL bully game, you know, they're looking for dogs with a certain look, certain posture. You know, they're looking for the linebackers of dogs. You know, some people have really muscular dogs. You know, get out of there. Some people have really, you know, bullyish looking dogs. But if I can just keep it real with you, when it comes to this XL, they want to see the biggest and the baddest of the dogs. Get out of that! And guess what? We're going to try to get the people what they want. You know, we can't make them too big. It won't be hard for this guy right here to breach like 120 pounds. The surprising thing is this dog right here is only like 100, 108. And she's huge. So you could just imagine this guy's supposed to be 10 pounds bigger than her. At least. At least. So, you know, we got to put the work in because this guy has a high metabolism. So we got to really feed this guy a lot of food. But now his appetite has picked up, so his appetite actually is meeting his breed type. When he was younger, he didn't really want to eat that much. She's always ready to eat, but I'm gonna keep it 100 with you. I mean, I have a lot of dogs, and basically when you're trying to get an XL to its full potential, you gotta kind of overfeed. Or what was seen to be overfeeding, but it's really regular feeding, but they just require so much food so that they can get their muscles and bones right. So we got to feed him a lot. And then you got to put it together with quality exercise. You don't want to put them too far, but you know, you want to work them just enough. Just enough for him to get that burn. Feel that burn. Then after he feels the burn, he go home and nap and wake up kind of hungry, and wake up with a little bit more energy again. But it's that out of control energy that we really have to burn off of this guy. So feeding is a big part of it, and exercise is even bigger. Get out of there. So we're gonna get some stick chasing going. Get some sprints. And then we're gonna go back. And we may, hey, get out of that, stop! See, they're eating that dang on deer poo, man. That's why I don't like coming to this field. There's nothing you can do. I'm seriously probably gonna have to get some deworming today for these guys. All right, well, we out, man. We about to get this exercise on. Can't show you everything. We only got one cameraman. So, get one last sprint out of them. Go get it. You know, it's really big on giving these guys an activity, because if you don't, what'll happen is they'll just use it negatively. It's your boy Mal, I'm out.